Welcome to 2025, a year packed with incredible astronomical events that will light up the skies and leave us in awe. Whether you're an avid stargazer, a budding astronomer, or someone who just loves a beautiful night sky, this is the year to keep your eyes on the stars. From dazzling meteor showers to breathtaking eclipses, here's your month-by-month guide to the top astronomical events you won't want to miss. We kick off January with a stunning sight in the evening sky. On January 13th, Venus reaches its greatest eastern elongation. What does that mean? Well, Venus will be at its highest point in the sky after sunset, making it incredibly bright and easy to spot. It's the perfect opportunity for evening stargazers to observe our neighboring planet. And then just a day later, on January 14th, we're treated to the first solar eclipse of the year. Although this will be a partial solar eclipse, it's still an awe-inspiring event, especially for those in parts of North America and Greenland and Europe. During this eclipse, the moon will cover a portion of the sun, so make sure to have your solar viewing glasses ready. Hey, February brings us one of the most dramatic celestial events of the year, a total lunar eclipse on February 27th. For viewers in North and South America, as well as parts of Europe and Africa, this is your chance to witness the moon turn a deep red as it passes fully into the Earth's shadow. Lunar eclipses are often called blood moons because of this reddish glow. So set your alarms, because this event will be visible for several hours and you won't want to miss it. Moving into March, on the 29th, Venus will transition from the evening sky to the morning sky in a phenomenon known as inferior conjunction. This means Venus will pass between Earth and the Sun. Shortly after, you'll be able to spot Venus in the pre-dawn sky, so if you're an early riser, this will be your first chance to catch Venus shining bright in the morning. April is when things start to heat up. On the night of April 22nd to 23rd, the Lyrids meteor shower reaches its peak. While not the most intense meteor shower, it's known for producing bright, fast meteors. With around 20 meteors per hour, this will be a treat for anyone under dark skies. The Lyrids are also known for occasional fireballs, which are especially bright meteors that leave glowing trails in the sky. On April 12th, Mercury reaches its greatest eastern elongation. This is the best time to observe the innermost planet of our solar system just after sunset, as it will be at its highest point in the evening sky. Fast forward to May 5th and 6th, when the Aquarids meteor shower peaks. This meteor shower is special because it's caused by debris from none other than Halley's Comet. Although it's more prominent in the southern hemisphere, viewers in the northern hemisphere can still see about 30 meteors per hour under clear skies. These meteors are known for their speed, traveling at around 66 kilometers per second, and they often leave glowing trails. June brings another partial solar eclipse on the 13th. This time, the eclipse will be visible in parts of the Pacific Ocean, Australia, and Antarctica. Although only part of the sun will be covered, it's still a fascinating sight, especially for those in the southern regions. And for those of you who love early morning sky watching, June 6th is when Mercury reaches its greatest western elongation, making it easier to spot in the pre-dawn sky. Grab your binoculars and head outside just before sunrise to catch a glimpse. July is an exciting month with another total lunar eclipse on July 7th. This one will be visible from Europe, Africa, and parts of Asia. Once again, the moon will pass completely into Earth's shadow, transforming into that iconic blood moon. Later in the month, on July 28th to 29th, the Delta Aquarids meteor shower will peak, especially in the southern hemisphere. It's a moderate shower with around 20 meteors per hour and can be seen radiating from the constellation Aquarius. August is all about the famous Perseids meteor shower, which peaks between August 12th and 13th. Known for being one of the best meteor showers of the year, the Perseids can produce up to 60 meteors per hour, making it a dazzling display. Find a dark location and enjoy the shower you definitely don't want to miss. Saturday, October 26th, were viewed by nearly 160,000 people. In September, Venus will again be at its best in the morning sky during its greatest western elongation on the 8th. It will be highly visible before sunrise, shining brighter than anything else in the sky apart from the moon. And on September 18th, we have yet another partial solar eclipse, visible from parts of the Pacific Ocean, southern South America, and Antarctica. As we head into the final months of the year, Jupiter reaches opposition on October 29th, meaning it will be at its closest to Earth and fully illuminated by the sun. This is the best time to observe Jupiter, so dust off your telescope and get ready to see its cloud bands and moons. November brings us the Lyrids meteor shower, peaking on the 17th to 18th, but the highlight of the year comes in December. On December 14th to 15th, the Geminids meteor shower will peak, offering an impressive 120 meteors per hour at its height. It's one of the most reliable and spectacular meteor showers, so be sure to bundle up and enjoy the light show. 2025 is going to be a cosmic adventure. Whether you're witnessing a meteor streak across the sky, watching the moon turn red during an eclipse, or catching a glimpse of a distant planet, there's something for everyone. Be sure to subscribe for more astronomical updates, tips for viewing these events, and more deep dives into the mysteries of space, clear skies, and happy stargazing. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications.